The Chicago Bulls taking on the Sacramento Kings. De'Aaron Fox, the rookie, versus Zach LaVine, and Robin Lopez would get 2 technical fouls and get ejected from the game. This is crazy. Why even talk to the refs? Why even get mad? Have you ever seen a ref change a call because you go up to him and you say, hey, I didn't like that call? And you talk and you continue to talk and you yell and you say a lot of bad things. Why get thrown out of the game there? Zach LaVine with the poster over Sampson. Wow. The slam dunk champion letting them know. De'Aaron Fox in transition. He's going to throw up the lob. Comes up hobbling on the play. Just landed a little bit awkward. So he's going back to the locker room. And he did not return. Apparently it's an ankle injury, even though it didn't look like he twisted his ankle on that play. Kings with the putback slam. That's George Hill doing that. LaVine crossover, gets in the lane, misses, gets his own rebound, and finishes. We're going down to the wire. Under a minute to play. Look at that double team. Look at that splash. Kings come back down 21 to win this game. Cauley Stein with the poster. And he's going for a takedown again. I'm going to hit him with a big shot. Big shot. Got him leaning. Kick to the head. Get down to the ground. Hand down. Man down. No clinch allowed. You know the rules. I don't think he can survive one more shot. Oh! Wow, he gets up again.